So here we have a semi-detached corner plot, 1950s, looks like it's got cavity wall insulation, double glazing, quite a large corner plot. Let's go and have a look. So you got a gas meter on the front wall, and there's an air vent down there, probably suspended timber flooring. Yeah, another air vent. It's looking like it. And there's the rear elevation. Wall thickness 280mm, quite thick render. I'm not finding evidence of cavity wall insulation, but it looks like it's been painted many times, so I'll have a harder look. No, doesn't look like it. Well, it's showing about 260, so it should be cavity, but then the render's quite thick, so it might just have narrow cavities. And there's a single rate electric meter, compact fluorescent lighting, recent replastering, room thermostat, lounge, what looks like a chimney, but there's no evidence that it's open, quite hard to get to. Radiator, kitchen's been removed, damp works. Double glazing, no date stamp. Draft proof strip. Some replastering going on this wall. This is the bathroom. Electric shower, bath. Looks like we have an alternate wall here as well, sloping ceiling. It's definitely not a room in the roof. Another bit of alternate wall, timber frame, sloping ceiling. And there's the boiler. Right. Get the light on. So this is a Worcester Green Star 24i Junior with a programmer, and then the thermostat we've already seen. And then there's thermostatic radiators and valves as well on the radiators. Okay. Bedroom 3 has a radiator. Bedroom 1 also has a radiator. And bedroom 2, yeah, radiator with TRV. Now to go up into the loft. The loft looks like it's recently been topped up to 300mm. And then the party wall, we can see the headers on the bricks, so that shows it's a solid party wall. So with the alternate wall, you measure width, depth, height, and minus off the windows. So this is going to be timber framed. I'm not going to be able to measure the wall thickness though. So I'm going to put unknown, timber framed, and then the area of this wall. There's an alternate wall to the front and the rear, as you can see here. These are the EPC photographs for audit purposes. Room thermostat, front and rear elevation, lounge, chimney, trying to show it being blocked, make a model of the boiler, the programmer from the boiler, thermostatic radiator valves, TRVs, radiator, glazing thickness, glazing type, insulation thickness being checked, overview of the loft, party wall with headers showing solid, more thickness of the loft, more of an overview showing the corner, and there's the floor plan showing the dimensions, ceiling heights, party walls, heat loss perimeter, and on the other side is the area of the alternate wall. I didn't have to minus off the windows because there weren't any. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.